Hello everyone, Christina here again. So we're going to be showing you how to make a homemade facial salt scrub. Let's check it out. So I chose a normal sea salt. The reason I chose this is because it's very granular, so it's great when we're trying to slough and exfoliate dead skin cells off of the surface. I'm going to use just about a tablespoon and place that into my bowl. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to replace the sea salt with baking soda, as it'll have the same effect but be a bit easier on your skin. So the next ingredient we're going to be using is olive oil. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of olive oil. Place that into your bowl. So we're going to whisk the two together. The olive oil is going to hydrate the skin and infuse a really great glow. And the sea salt, of course, is going to exfoliate and get all of those skin cells off. Combine the two, like so. This is a rather small mask, simply because I'm using it only on my face. If you'd like to exfoliate your whole body, just double up on the ingredients. Alright, so after about mixing this for 30 seconds, what we're going to do next is apply this on a freshly washed, clean face. Apply in a circular motion, spending about 20 seconds on each area of the face. Rinse with a warm washcloth or simply splash a bit of warm water onto the face, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video.